आता खबरो विस्तारान. वास्को 48 वर्साच्या रविचंद्र भट ह्या टॅक्सी चालकान 20 वर्सां पिरायेच्या चलयेचेर आगळीक केली. वास्को पुलिशेच्या 40 किलोमीटर अंतराचेर ही घडणूक घडल्या. पुलिशेन रविचंद्र भट ह्या आरोपीक अटक केल्या म्हण वास्को पीआय नालास्को रापोसो हांणी माहिती दिल्या. आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Kidnapping and rape against accused person, namely Ravichandran Bhatt, age 48 years, resident of Alto Bogmalo, upon the written complaint of a girl from Maharashtra. The victim girl was walking, has alleged that while she was walking on the airport road, the accused person, who is a taxi driver, came in his Indica car and further, after intercepting her, requested her to come in his car in order to give her lift, which she refused, and thereafter he forcibly put her inside his car after abducting her and took her to a lonely place where he had forcibly sexually assaulted her. In this connection, we have registered offense of rape and abduction, and further the accused person was referred for medical examination at GMC Bambali along with the victim girl in separate vehicles, and thereafter, after the necessary medical examination, the accused person was brought back to the police station and has been lodged into the PS lockup. The vehicle used in the commission of offence has been attached under Panchanama. Further investigation is in progress to collect more evidence to build up a strong case against the accused person.